Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the world of technology and bring you the latest insights on various products. I'm your host, and today, we have something essential for all you projector enthusiasts out there: the Rembam High-Quality Replacement Lamp. It's time to shed some light on this product, so let's get started. Let's begin with the unboxing experience. Inside this compact box, you'll find the Rembam Replacement Lamp. It's designed for projectors and comes with some promising features. As we can see, this replacement lamp is specifically designed for use with projectors. It's a 40-watt lamp, and one thing that immediately caught my eye is the 180-day warranty. That's some peace of mind for your investment. Now, let's talk about the lamp itself. It's a Rembam product, which is known for its quality. This lamp, with housing, is designed to fit perfectly into your projector. It's compatible with a range of Hitachi projector models, including the carbon monophosphide WX8450, CPWX8255, and carbon monophosphide X8160. Whether you're a business professional making presentations or a movie buff enjoying a cinematic experience at home, having a reliable lamp for your projector is crucial. The Rembam replacement lamp ensures that you get the brightness and clarity you need for your content. Now, let's talk about two crucial aspects: lifespan and quality. This replacement lamp boasts a lifespan of about 3,000 hours. That means you can enjoy countless presentations, movies, and more before needing a replacement. But what really sets Rembam apart is its commitment to quality. Before shipment, each lamp undergoes a strict quality test to ensure it meets the highest standards. You can trust that you're getting a reliable product. Installation is a critical aspect when it comes to projector lamps. Luckily, setting up the Rembam replacement lamp is a breeze. It's designed for easy installation, so you can have your projector up and running in no time. Now, let's hear from some users who've already experienced the Rembam replacement lamp. Many have praised its performance, with some mentioning how it restored the brightness and clarity to their presentations. It's always great to see positive feedback from satisfied customers. It's a testament to the quality and reliability of this product. And there you have it, folks, our in-depth look at the Rembam High-Quality Replacement Lamp. It's an essential accessory for your projector, offering longevity, quality, and easy installation. Plus, that 180-day warranty is a nice touch. If you're in need of a replacement lamp for your Hitachi projector, I highly recommend considering the Rembam option. Don't forget to check the compatibility with your projector model. And as always, if you've used this lamp before, share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. I'm your host, signing on, and remember, keep your tech game strong.